Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sucré and Sweet, where we make fun and simple garnishes. And today, that's exactly what we will be starting with, a simple and quick cucumber garnish. I just find cucumber to be perfect for the summer months. Whether you're serving a cocktail or a simple glass of water, they just add a touch of elegance and thoughtfulness to whatever you're serving. And of course, we can't forget the little ones. So here I am making a mermaid tail that the little and big kids in your life will love. I know it's not very clear on camera, but all I am doing is cutting half circle to create a scale effect. This of course would also look beautiful without the scales. Here, you want to slice this piece as close as possible to the thickness of your main tail. Now this garnish will turn your simple glasses of water into beautiful displays. Please apologize the camera movement. My peeler wasn't as sharp as usual and I had to use a little more force, which in turn made the camera wobble a little bit. Once you have enough slices, 6 or 8, or depending on what glass you're using, go ahead and cut them all in half. This is a square of parchment paper that I've previously cut according to my glass size. This will help manipulate and place the garnish later on. Make sure to press gently on the cucumber here to make sure that it sticks to the glass. And voila! I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. And in the meantime, let me know which one was your favorite.